Hi guys, this is Bruce from the Users Forum at MillRight. I'm lucky enough to have one of the first Mega V units, and I want to talk about the Mega V wheel. These wheels are custom made in-house at MillRight, and you won't see them anywhere else. There are 4 wheels on each Y gantry, as you can see here, on the left and the right side. And of course there's 4 more on the X gantry that the Y Z-axis sits on. And here's a size comparison between the standard V wheel and the new large V wheels. It's 80% bigger than the standard V wheels. So this improves the grip and the traction, and then improves the rigidity and stiffness of the system. There you can see the wheels on the Carve King. So much bigger wheels. And there we go. That's it for this feature of the new Mega V CNC machine.